One of the more common questions people ask before a Disney cruise is whether they're allowed to bring their own drinks on board. The short answer is yes. Disney Cruise Line does allow guests to bring certain beverages with them, but there are a few important rules to understand. Disney allows guests to bring non-alcoholic beverages, as well as limited quantities of alcohol, as long as those drinks are carried on and not placed in checked luggage. Beverages packed in checked luggage may be confiscated and are typically returned to guests at the end of the cruise. Disney requires drinks to be brought on board in carry-on bags so they can be inspected during the embarkation process. There are also quantity limits, particularly for alcohol. What surprises many first-time cruisers is how many drinks are already included on a Disney cruise. Soda, coffee, tea, and juice are readily available at onboard beverage stations at no additional charge, and those stations also include water dispensers. Disney also states that the water from stateroom sinks is drinkable. That said, some guests still prefer bottled water or using the beverage stations for water, especially if they're sensitive to taste or just more comfortable with that option. Because of these included options, many guests choose to bring on only specific beverages they personally prefer, such as flavored waters, sports drinks, or wine to enjoy in their stateroom, rather than bringing everything with them. As with most cruise policies, details can change, so it's always a good idea to double-check Disney Cruise Line's official website before you're sailing. But overall, Disney's beverage policy is fairly guest-friendly and gives you flexibility without requiring you to pack more than you really need.